Welcome. So we are back Monday today. Nothing changed, as always, daily buys. So starting on daily, we can see that prices right now we are in this daily FEG. Let me clear a bit. Okay, so we are in this daily FEG. There was this SMT at December low. Probably probably we are right now. This spice liquidity is the target. However, we are in this daily FEG right now. We also create this volume imbalance here. So yeah, interesting. Like we're already anticipating what can like next day do. Maybe you are going to react as FEG, deliver this volume imbalance, then continue higher, but like doesn't matter. So right now we are in this daily FEG. There is nothing special, like we can expect some reaction from this daily FEG. However, let's go into this 4-hour FEG. So right now on 4-hour, price clearly bullish. Once we close above this high, then we'll change it to the buy program because price will close above this high that reacted from the bearish FEG. Right now, what I'm really looking on is this 4-hour FEG, which is going to be confirmed after 10, So I will be looking for price to actually manipulate into it. Wait, let me see one thing. Have we manipulated into the 4-hour FEG here? No. Oh, actually interesting. Let me check something. Oh, okay, not really. This FEG stay open right now, so that's also interesting. But like right now, I'm looking for price to fill this FEG after 10. Once this FEG is created, then I'll be looking after 10 for manipulation into it to then continue higher. 1 hour. Oh, fuck! Like manipulation already happened before 9:30. Fuck, that's fucked my whole night. Oh, okay, never mind. So how we can see from midnight, price was just expanding higher. So who have been making money? Of course, buyers. Midnight didn't even manipulate, so that's actually really interesting. And to be honest, I will be even looking for for manipulation lower to maybe manipulate into this midnight, like this open order block to then continue higher. That's something that I'll be looking for. However, let me check some low 80.75. So we also have those equal lows here. That's actually interesting. Yeah, like there is SMT, there is algorithmic SMT, there is also SMT. So yeah, I'm not really looking at this, but I'm really interested in this order block here, So I'll be anticipating some manipulation, but like price fucked a bit my analysis because the move is happening before the session, so that's not good, but maybe we'll catch a buy, So yeah, there was a potential for our FEG. However, right now I'm not sure about it. Yeah, man. Wait, let me actually. I was prepared, but I wasn't like once I was while I was making my analysis, there wasn't this big ass candle. But yeah, we have a lot of buys liquidity here, price engineer, a lot of sells liquidity. Sorry. Right now, let me check one thing. Low, 42, 41. Price left equal lows here. So there is still possibility for those lows, for 9:30 open. Touch the order block. Yeah, I will be looking for lower prices, but I will be keeping in mind that once the 4-hour FEG is created here, then there is possibility that price will expand higher. I will be also looking for the FEG here. I don't think that price needs to really go there, but I don't know. We'll see. Generally, bullish, but we'll be looking for delivering this 4-hour FEG. So again, 1 hour, let me just check. A lot of sales liquidity here. Yeah, I would like to see those equal lows to remain untouched until 9:30. It would be nice, you know, it would be fucking nice. Let me also mark the London liquidity. Yeah, but it's really, it's possible that price will manipulate this order block here. That's something I will be keeping in mind. London low, 15 minute. Yeah, there is also some T here. 5 minute. Oh, smashed. 8:30. 9:30. Yeah, so looking at time cycles, accumulation here from 7 accumulation here, SMR manipulation, 9:30 distribution probably. Yeah, because of this big ass candle, if those equal lows remain untouched, then I will be looking for 9:30 to open, go there, and then continue lower. Then around 9:50 to then expand higher, go into this 4-hour FEG to then reverse the move and continue higher, you know? That's what I was looking for. Hope it's clear, and yeah, we are sync after the session. We are back after the session. Interesting session today, always, like every day is interesting session. So I'm quite late today with the review, but it is what it is. I had a call with a friend of mine, but doesn't matter. That's late. We need to do the fucking journal, so we'll fucking end. Like right now, we will be need to checking if my video is working because I'm recording this video like third time, so I don't want to record more. I just want to record. I want it to be the last time I'm recording this video. So again, let's start with actually the bias before, like what was going on before. Then we'll discuss what happened later. I will also discuss the mistakes I made when I was making my bias, when I was looking for price, because there were some, and I will tell you those lessons. And at the end, we'll discuss also like the 1 minute what was going on. I also during the session I was taking pictures of some trades here, so we'll also discuss them because some of them were wrong because of my wrong perception. And yeah, like we are starting. So starting on daily, price was in this daily FEG. So I wasn't looking for a big reaction because right now I'm anticipating that the main draw for liquidity is this SPICE liquidity here with the December low. There is also SMT. So right now my main target is this SPICE liquidity here, but despite this fact, price delivered to the premium array of the daily range, so we can still expect some reaction a lot lower. So that was the thing I was coming with, like into today's bias. I was keeping that in mind, but I would like to see that align actually with lower time frames. So for our, we took this high here, and I was looking for a price to deliver into this 4-hour FEG. Like little spoiler, price didn't do it, and in a moment I will also tell you why. But I didn't actually. I don't know why I didn't say it, but I should have at least say that if at 10 price close above this, if at 10 price closed above this wick, that will mean that we are seeking more. If there was of course, if there was a manipulation lower time, because that would be really important. If price at 10 closed above this high here, and on lower time frame, for example, in 1 hour there was a clear accumulation with, for example, SMT, that would mean that we are still seeking premium PDRs, and in this case there was an important PDRE which I didn't mention. I forgot about it, I didn't say it, I don't fucking know, but I didn't say it. And this was this BPR here. Why it was so important? Because price didn't make a fair value here, like price didn't reprice into this area. There was selling, buying, selling, and there was lack of buying in this area here. So yeah, like on 4 hours, just looking right now, we are in clear buy program, but also like closing above this high would be a, how to say, nice confirmation of it. And yeah, going to 1 hour, when I was taking the the picture of it, there was already a manipulation. Price took this low. There was also SMT. Despite that, there was also a 1 hour invert FEG into which price manipulated. This low didn't, but the one here actually did manipulate this 1 hour invert FEG, so that is also interesting, and we'll touch more on because that was really important. Today I was really looking for this sell side liquidity here, like price was expanding. Wait, it's working. Price was expanding higher since midnight, so I was looking at it as a area that there is a lot of sell side liquidity. Didn't happen. Price didn't even take into the IM session, and that also opened my eyes to one thing which I will discuss with you today, because that's really important. That's a big lesson for me, and like long term story. I just want to say that sometimes price don't need to go up here to take the sell side, then continue higher. Sometimes price will only deliver into the discount, will take the nearest sell side liquidity level, will deliver into the again premium, and will leave the sell side liquidity for the next day, PM session, doesn't matter. But that idea on your sell line, and if something like that happened, you want to see confirmations. It was today, and there was a nice opportunity to take, but I didn't take it, and we'll also discuss it because that was really important. So yeah, 15 minutes. Yeah, there was this SMT. There was also this SMT at highs, which actually made me, made me think more about this sell side liquidity here, which was, like we'll discuss in a moment. 5 minutes. Yeah, there was this big ass candle. I said that this was accumulation, like from 7 to 8:30, 8:30 to 10. Actually, I said that there was SMR, and that probably 9:30 like will distribute lower, but it was wrong idea. Actually it wasn't really aligning, like because my bias didn't align. I was looking at things in the wrong manner, and that's why I said that, because I don't need to say more, but I don't need to say much, but actually this ended to be manipulation. There was said 7 to 8:30 accumulation, 8:30 to 10 manipulation, and 10 to 11 distribution. So yeah, let's right now discuss what happened. So there was a reaction from Stella FEG, but how we can see, we went a bit higher before going lower. 4 hour. Yeah, how I said, price didn't manipulate this 4 hour FEG. What I was anticipating that to happen, didn't. Price went straight higher. At 10 we closed above this week, and we went a bit higher into that BPR, and we went lower, and how you can see in PM session, because I was taking those photos in actually at 2 PM, so price was coming back into the range. So how you say, like, this sell liquidity wasn't for the IM session, it was left for the PM session or next day. 1 hour. Yeah, like this candle here, like there was this 1 hour invert FEG. This candle didn't deliver into it. On ES we did deliver here, and once we took this 4 hour swing high at 9:30, price made SMT here. There was SMT, and this low right here delivered into this 1 hour invert FEG. There was SMT, went higher, BPR, and again went went back into the range. 15 minute. Yeah, 15 minute. I was really sick of this week, and that's also we'll discuss more about, because it's really important to know when those wicks are actually creating how to say, liquidity for the now, and when those wicks are creating the liquidity for later, 15 FVG, also nice setup here. There was a 1 minute breaker. There wasn't possibility to enter on the breaker. Price went only into 1 minute FVG and went higher. Also, there was an interesting thing here. Wait, is my working here? There was also an interesting thing here because at 11:30, when the distribution cycle ended, actually price manipulated the 15 FVG. We took this high here, price didn't close above it. We made SMT, so free candle formation, SMT, and there was a nice turtle soup. So actually, this is something I will fucking annotate because that will help me to understand more turtle soups and actually to learn about how I'm keeping in my mind that I need to be fucking humble. I first need to master the breakers, and then we'll play with other things. But breakers are the first thing that I will risk money on. 5 minute here, there was this breaker I'm talking about. This was a confirmation that actually algo is still in buy program, and this was accumulation, and we don't care about this sales liquidity, and we'll probably left it for the other time, So let's actually start with the lessons, because they are the most important for me from today's session. So I want to start with the thing here, because in today's review I said that I didn't say it, but I was quite looking at this for FVG, and I know it, and it was wrong. Why it was wrong? Because I was thinking at this FVG for a moment, but what I didn't realize is that above we had inverted FVG potential for our FVG and OB, so price shouldn't violate this PD, shouldn't violate those PD arrays to get into that for our FVG. This for our FVG should remain as a breakaway gap. Why? Because we were in a buy program, we were probably targeting this buy liquid here, so we had this invert FVG, this order block here, this potential for our FVG here. So if we are in a buy program, if price wants to actually deliver here, we shouldn't deliver this FVG. This FVG should remain untouched. Why? Because we had 3 PD arrays which are like protecting this FVG, let's say it that way, despite there were equal lows, doesn't matter. There were 3 PD arrays that were protecting this FVG, so I shouldn't even have to look at it, but I looked, so I did look. So right now I'm just correcting myself that you need to fucking think. Yeah, what next? Let me take a sip. Is it recording? Yeah. I missed this for our BPR because I was really looking for a comeback this for our FVG, but what I didn't say, like I didn't have a scenario like that, and probably it would help me today, but I didn't say that if price close above this at 10, if price close above this week, and for example there was some manipulation on lower time frame, then that would indicate that we are not respecting premium, we are respecting discount, so we are seeking another premium level to then retrace, because it wasn't enough for algo to go lower. And yeah, that's what happened. There was this manipulation on 1 hour. At 10 we closed above it, so at 10 there was no need to manipulate again. 10 distribute towards this BPR, and at 11:30 we retraced lower back into the range. Yeah, because we had already been in this for FVG above swing high, and we then experiment. Yeah. If the 10 candle close over the high, that will mean that the next target would be the BPR. So that was the first lesson. This one is the most important thing. So I was really looking for the sales liquidity, which wasn't the best. And like, yeah, I it wasn't like, it wasn't wrong that I was looking at it, but I was forcing price to take this sell side, and that was wrong. Okay, let me actually read. I was looking for the sell side below, however, the price ended without taking it during the IM session, and we went higher. We had already been that 4 hours. We have already been in a 4-hour CB, the bearish FEG here, and the next potential target was the 4-hour BPR. Yes, seeing that we are violating 4-hour FEG, like seeing that we are violating this high which was in 4-hour FEG, I would like to see on the lower time frame to see a signs that we want to take this sales liquidity. But if price starts to do crazy things like, wait, something happened with my screen. Things like, for example, like things like this, that we took this discount, like we took this sell side, we delivered back to 1 hour inverted FEG price creating SMT. So that is already showing like how to say, a light that something is going wrong here. So seeing that, I should wait. And if I see confirmation that on 5 minutes, for example, that we are bullish, there is for example a breaker with FEG, then that is showing that algo is not respecting premium. We deliver the discount, we are respecting discount, sorry, we are seeking more premium. What was the next target in the premium? The next target was only this 1 hour BPR, 4 hour BPR, which already, like, the algo showed it, hence that this is the thing that we are looking for. So yeah, if price confirmed that idea, because if price was if price confirmed that idea, you know, because if, for example, there wasn't a confirmation like SMT sell side taken 1 hour inverted FEG and 5 minute breaker, then that wouldn't be a confirmed idea. But if price confirmed that idea, because if price was in premium and it was in 4 hour FEG above swing high, I'm talking about this one, and again delivered discount, we deliver back into the 1 hour inverted FEG, we took sell side, and again show confirmation that we are likely to continue higher. So the same thing I was saying before, that means that we are still in buy program. We are still in buy program. Algo is showing it heads that we are still in buy program. Doesn't matter that there is sell side. Doesn't matter that it's clean, that there is weak, that people are buying. Doesn't fucking matter. It was enough for the algo to take it to then continue higher. And that's something that I need to learn, because often I'm looking at price in the manner that if people are buying, selling, you know, and that sometimes can be wrong, because there was still sell side, like the people which the people who bought here were still in profits, but doesn't fucking matter. We took sell side, we took some buyers here. There was still a lot of buys liquidity, but that doesn't mean that we won't take this buy side, for example, in the next day or PM session. That's also a thing that, like, a switch that I need to make in my mind, that sometimes it depends, like, despite there is sell side liquidity, doesn't matter that we need to take it today. We can take it tomorrow, we can take it, I don't fucking know when, but if we want to take it, then I need to see clear confirmation. But when I'm seeing SMT sweep of sell side liquidity, 1 hour inverted FEG and 5 minute breaker, and I see another premium PDR rate, then I can't be like, how to say, I just can't be scary to take the setup, because it's clear that we are bullish, you know? Yeah, because it was that clear that I wasn't even believing that it's that clear, and that's the fucking problem. But yeah, like those situations, you need to see what algo is showing, you know? So yeah, whenever there is a situation like that, when there is a clear sell side liquidity below, but 4 hour or 1 hour is clearly bullish, look. Fuck, let me actually wait. I will also pause this video for a moment, because I want to see if the audio is working correct. Yeah, audio is working. So again, we are coming back. So whenever there is actually that, when there is a clear sell side below but 4 hour or really bullish, I'm talking about that, you know. that we are clearly bullish, because often when we are clearly bullish, I'm scared that a lot of people are in buys, but doesn't fucking matter. If there is something like that, then you want to see a clear manipulation. You want to see a clear manipulation and confirmations that we still want to continue higher. It's that fucking simple. But I had a problem. I have just a problem with that, and I just need to fucking like. I just need to like work on it, right? Then if we move higher and don't show willingness, let me read it again. Whenever there is a situation like that, when there is a clear sell-side liquidity below, but 4 hour or 1 hour is clearly bullish, and the price manipulates at least into some discount PDRA, then if we move higher and we don't show willingness to continue lower, that is fine. It means we won't go lower, but we'll go towards the objective above if it's there, if this objective is there, leaving the sell side for another day or other PM. Yeah, I wrote this because often I'm scared that buyers are in profits. Doesn't fucking matter. Like, some buyers put their sellers here, price took it, made SMT. It was also showing that we are not respecting this premium PDRA, so we are seeking more premium PDRAs, in this case 1 hour BPR. If I see confirmations to go long, then go fucking long. Doesn't fucking matter, like, bro. And yeah, like, I will fucking, yeah, like, you will fucking see. Those are the situations which I don't like, which I'm messing with, but I will fucking learn it to the extent that I will fucking know exactly what price is doing. And yeah, that's the mindset I need to set. Okay, so need to learn how to look at certain situation. In this example, after all, there was a sweep of 1 hour swing low and the price created SMT. Okay, if we want to continue lower, yeah, and this should be my thought process. Okay, if we want to continue lower, I want to see a nice bearish breaker here on 5 minute, for example, because we still have some sell side below and there could be a potential for our FEG. But if we close above the previous swing high and the SMT remains untouched, I will enter the trade and target the nearest survivable objective, and I will look for this move lower as a manipulation. Yeah, I'm talking about the thing that, but if we close the previous swing high on 5 minute, if there is a clean 5 minute breaker, despite we are going higher, then I would just target this first premium PDRA, which in this case would be 1 hour BPR. Despite yeah, I'm also sometimes scared because price create this week here, and despite after manipulation, it is clear that it was manipulation because price create this week, so a lot of people were buying. I don't fucking care. I look at algo signatures. That's also important. If despite there was this clean 1 hour week, when I was taking a setup, when I would be taking a setup, there would be a clean 1 hour week. So I was aware that a lot of people were buying, but what I wasn't aware was that the fact that sometimes price will create those wicks, but won't come back to them immediately, Same thing else with the sell side. Like, sometimes price will create those wicks to again come back immediately, but sometimes it will create to take them later, and that's also something that I need to learn, and I need to like feel it, to know when I need to look on this 1 hour week as a real reaction, as something that is showing me that yeah, we are bullish until we take this level, and when I need to learn when to know that actually this is just a manipulation to engineer more liquidity below or above the wick. So yeah, I'm talking about this because after the sweep there was a 500 blue breaker, and now I said entry higher because I wasn't sure what to do, as there was salsa bill and the trend was already bullish. I was scared to enter. Stop thinking in a way that people are still making money. Who the fuck cares if we are in premium and price? Who the fuck cares if we are in premium and price manipulated discount took salsa hand went higher? What does it mean? That we are in buy program. We took the according to the algo. Wait, I'm messing with the things I'm writing by my own. Stop thinking away. Wait, oh yeah, like I'm still writing here about being scared of the sell side. It means we won't load. There. Stop thinking away that people are still making money. Who the fuck cares if we are? Who the fuck cares if we were in premium here and price manipulate discount and take sell side again? What does it mean? That we are in buy program, we took what according to algo was enough. And yeah, like if algo is reacting of this 1 hour refugee and after taking this sales equity and show on 5 minute breaker, then bro, we are in fucking buy program. Doesn't mean like despite it's clearly bullish, despite people are buying, I don't fucking care. Algo is showing willingness to continue higher. And that's really important, which I forgot about today. Yeah, another lesson. I also said that I will be looking for price to manipulate this order block, but what I forgot to mention was because there was still this 4-hour BPR which I missed, and the price on the higher time was bullish while drawing towards the buy liquidity. If the price manipulates energy, if the price manipulates an injurious buy side liquidity above here, then takes the sell side. Yeah, like everything what I'm writing here is actually the same shit, you know, like yeah, like because we're in price manipulating discount and again showed willingness to go higher, so I should have asked myself, was there anything to continue higher? Yeah, it's BPR, fine, so we are in buy program and price is sticking over PRA, yeah, because again premium discount reaction 5-minute confirmation looking for premium again. That's it, bro. That's fucking it. And this huge candle here, because of the fact that we are going higher, also make me think that, you know, bro, we are going higher. So right now we need to go lower. But sometimes it can trap you because you are not really looking at how price is behaving, but you are looking at, like, it's hard to explain, you know, because move like that engineer a lot of buy sell liquidity, and if price wants to deliver into this 1 hour BPR, then this move here is only to manipulate the buy sell liquidity here, but you also could look at this move as actually a lot of buyers were in profits, and right now price is crazy going lower. But here when price is crazy going lower like that, you want to see if you still think that there is possibility that price can actually continue higher, then you want to see sweep, SMT, and confirmations lower time frame to take the trade, right? Really fucking simple. Yeah, what's more here? Wait, is my working? Yo, only 8 minutes. Wait, what? Oh, okay. I said I would like to see those equal lows remain untouched, but I fucked up. Price took this. Yeah, I said that there were equal lows, but they weren't. You know, like price took it, and that was also something that I was make me take a screenshot of the trade here, because if I don't take a trade, I'm just taking a screenshot of it to then like share it here, or if it's a win, then I can backtest it on the FX replay, you know. And there was a 5-minute breaker here, and because price didn't take the equal low, like I was thinking that price didn't take the low here, so there were equal lows, so I was looking for a comeback here to then expand lower. But once the price took the fake stop loss, because it wasn't the setup I do, I realized that there was SMT, you know. Yeah, that's also interesting that this week there was a 1 hour invert FEG, and this week was one tick and failed to deliver into it, but this manipulation here delivered perfectly to the tick in this 1 hour invert FEG and made SMT took the sell side and went higher. Yeah, I also said that this was SMA or SMT, but it wasn't the fucking case. Like just seeing this huge candle, I should be cautious, you know, and seeing that there was accumulation, I should still anticipate that maybe this was the accumulation, like from 77 to 830, the accumulation, despite SMT 830 to 930, 830 10, probably manipulation. But because I wasn't sure, I just could wait for 10 to see, because if 10 had closed above those highs, then that would mean that this was accumulation, you know, and from 10 to 11 there would be distribution. So that's actually it. Yeah, and those fucking weeks, like I was scared to take this 5-minute setup because I was feeling that a lot of people were buying, so there was price was engineering a lot of sell side liquidity here, but it was like, you know, like sometimes you need to fucking try. Sometimes you need to fucking try to see. Let me actually see this setup, you know. Let me see this setup at what time there was the entry. Like the crazy was smart, you know, like it was so clear breaker, you know. That's why I was scared. But right now in onside accumulation, manipulation, engineering, buy side, boom, boom. Yeah, man, like I just was scared, you know. I just was scared, like, but makes perfect sense right now. Makes perfect sense. Okay, so let me quickly see those setups here. Like, yeah, I would show you this setup. Yeah, stupid idea, because this low was taken, you know. If it hadn't been taken, then maybe. Yeah, I was even looking for a sub here, you know, because I was still thinking that there were no equals lows and there was this accumulation. So yeah. No equal lows. There was manipulation 1 hour in SMT. Yeah, it's working SMT. Yeah, there was this setup. What's that? Yeah, here I was just trying some turtle soups, and actually that's all, you know. Yeah, this was at the wrong time. Yeah, but I will check it, you know, on my own. Check why you take screen of it. I got a 4 hour WebPR. Yeah, let's actually again go back into 1 minute. Like quickly review what happened on 1 minute. There was also an interesting thing before, because seeing that price was crazy going higher, like at least some manipulation, because that's why I was looking for bearish prices. But I was looking, at least I should be like, I was looking for a lower price, because seeing how price was going higher, we engineered a lot of sales liquidity, and there was a level with huge pool of sales liquidity. So like this low was like, it was fucking sure that price will take it. And seeing that actually from 7 to 8 there was SMR, then price create as an SMT here, and seeing that 830, like just seeing that there was this SMT and there was this clean breaker, and we are coming into 930, seeing that you could just take this trade. And if you take a look, I also marked this on when I was making analysis, because I was actually looking for this to be the trade lower. And let me actually take the screenshot of it, because I want to review it, you know. Yeah, so I can manipulation here, SMT, huge manipulation. We engineered a lot of buy sell liquidity here, because yeah, also some people seeing that price is going higher, seeing that there is such a move, think that we are short, sell here, a lot of sell side liquidity here, again back and forth moving, price went higher, there was this 5-minute breaker, I was scared to take it, but there was this SMT we delivered back into. That's the really fucking important thing. Listen guys, price took the premium, 4 hour swing high, went lower into the discount, Into the 1 hour inverted FEG, create SMT on 5 minutes. There was some mad reaction. What the fuck does it mean? That algo is in buy program. That algo is in buy program. We took sell side. We took buy side. What does it fucking mean? We are in buy program. We trapped, how to say? We trapped buyers. We trapped sellers. You know? Right now it makes so fucking sense for me that this could be the trade that I could have taken, but I didn't, and that's fine. So right now, seeing how the on 5 minute we close, like this PPR would be the next target, because this was the next target in the premium. Price was, it wasn't the best delivery here, you know, like price was looking like it was setting the market maker sell model here. But yeah, see that. But there was still this how to say, this PDR here. And if you take a look at 10, price create a 15-minute FEG here. There was also a 5 minute short-term low, and seeing how price was delivering, we were anticipating at least some delivery into the discount, you know. So yeah, seeing that price was accumulating here. Yeah, there was also market maker sell. Price went here, took it again, went at 15 FEG, make the SMT, take the 5 minutes short-term low, and once once you see that price close above this high, you could just enter this FEG and target BPL. Let me actually see how much RR it would be. Stop loss around here. Yeah, like 2R without any problem. I didn't take it. I wasn't even sure, you know. I don't know. That's why I need to record those sessions to actually know, and I need to speak loudly to know why the fuck I'm scared sometimes to take the trade. But yeah, price went to this 1 hour BPO. I don't know what I was doing here, but let me actually see if there was anything here. I'm not really prepared today. That's why we will take a look right now. Quick look if there was anything here. Nothing clear. 3 minute, nothing clear. Let me see that. Nothing clear. Let me see that. Nothing clear. Yeah, like here we took the 3 minute short-term low, price took it, close above it, took the low here, 1 hour, and that's actually the one thing we can discuss, is that there was this 15th FEG here. If you take a look, there was this 15th FEG here. There was this 15th FEG, which is really important. 15-minute FEG. Yeah, there was also one on ES. Oh yeah, we even respected to the tick. The FEG. And right now look, because that's really beautiful. Price delivered into this 15 FEG, went lower again. Took this high, there was SMT. Let me actually see this. Wait. That's actually really important. We took this. yeah, price started to go lower, but again, took this. Wait, let me fuck. Let's see. Look, there was SMT. Price was closing below the wicks on 15-minute. Here there was SMT. Here SMT. Next cycle. We are already in huge premium. SMT. So yeah, like there could be a turtle soup of this high, but I need to investigate more, you know. I hope you enjoyed, you know, if someone is watching it, you know. I'm so fucking happy that I did record this video, cause I was close to say fuck it, like, because something was wrong with the audio, something was wrong with the, like, I don't fucking know, but that's the fucking mindset we will go through the 2025, and yeah, if you watch it, thank you, bro. I appreciate a lot, and we are seeing tomorrow. Enjoy. No, fuck. Take care.